Bank lending in India to NBFCs has crossed roughly 19 lakh crore. Let's break it down.
First, what is an NBFC? A non-banking finance company lends money just like a bank, but they cannot accept deposits. So your savings account, FD, these are bank products. An NBFC cannot offer you that. An NBFC offers you loans, home loans, vehicle loans, gold loans, business loans, you name it. Companies like Bajaj Finance, LIC Housing, Muthoot Finance, these are all NBFCs. Why do they even exist? Why not just go to a bank? Because banks don't reach everyone, and let me explain you with an example. Let's take Shriram Finance for example. This company built its business financing used commercial vehicles, for example, truck operators, small fleet owners, borrowers with volatile cash flows and imperfect documentation, and this underwriting is very different from a salaried home loan. Such credit decisions involve local route economics, asset resale value, understanding behavioral patterns, and field collection capability. And this is not a natural operating center for a large universal bank. NBFCs understand such localized risks, and that is the reason of their entire existence. So if not deposits, then where do NBFCs get their money from? NBFCs raise money from multiple sources, and banks are just one source, and that's this 19 lakh crore number. But they may issue bonds in the market, they may borrow from mutual funds, or sometimes even foreign borrowings. Today, the total size of NBFC balance sheet is about 61 lakh crore. So what does 18% growth mean? This means banks are comfortable lending to NBFCs, and NBFCs are expanding their lending. India's credit to GDP ratio through NBFCs increased from 16% in 2019 to 26% today. This means more economic activity is getting financed via this channel, and more credit is reaching to more people and businesses. And this growth is happening on a much stronger foundation. 2018 taught the system a hard lesson. IL&FS collapsed and credit froze across the economy. But the regulations that came after that, they have made the sector significantly more resilient. Clearly, NBFCs are a crucial part of India's credit system. Follow for such more breakdowns.